Tonight, raging floodwaters sweeping over roads, swelling rivers, destroying homes. A days-long deluge drenching entire communities in Hawaii.
He was beating on my window at 11. All I heard was, "Gammy, Gammy, wake up." And it scared me to death.
On Oahu, North Shore resident Sherry Hodge says she woke up late Thursday night to the sound of her grandson, Raiden, frantically pounding on her door. You can see Raiden in this video, the 18-year-old helping rescue a man and his dog hanging on for dear life in chest-deep floodwaters. He says in all, he and his crew rescued about 60 people.
People were on their roofs yelling for help, and we came together and we loaded them in and made sure everybody was safe. It was crazy.
First responders rescuing more than 200 people during the disaster. But neighbors like Sherry are angry, saying warning sirens and phone alerts came too late.
I'm pissed. I'm upset over that.
The storm causing Oahu's worst flooding in more than 20 years. Actor Jason Momoa said he had to evacuate from a family home.
Hopefully everyone's safe and getting out and get together and figure out how we help everyone.
And everyone is stepping up. With evacuation orders finally lifting here, locals are helping clean up.
And this is what community is here in Hawaii. Dozens of members of this town coming together to clean up as much as they possibly can after this devastating flood left all this mud and debris behind.
Tonight, Maui getting hit hard.
Yeah.
But here, the state's famed spirit of helping, known to Native Hawaiians as its kokua, remains unbroken.
Steve is joining us now live from that disaster zone. And Steve, folks in that state are not out of the woods yet.
Hallie, we are nowhere near out of the woods yet. Cleanup will continue like this for at least the next few days. Maui getting hit with that next batch of rain. The governor estimating at least $1 billion needed for recovery. And anytime the ground is this saturated, you are talking about the possibility of mudslides. Very dangerous here. Hallie.
It's nonstop work for folks there. Steve, thanks.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.